SELLERAMP versus HELIUM 10. Which Amazon seller tool is best? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing SELLERAMP and HELIUM 10, two powerful tools designed to help Amazon sellers maximize their success. Whether you're new to Amazon FBA or an experienced seller, these tools offer features to help with product research, profitability analysis, and inventory management. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know which one is the better fit for your business. Now, let's dive in. What is SELLERAMP? SELLERAMP is a lightweight, affordable tool designed specifically for Amazon arbitrary sellers. It helps sellers quickly evaluate product profitability and manage inventory. Some of its key features include real-time profitability calculator, alerts for Amazon restrictions and eligibility, sales rank and competition analysis, quick links to supplier websites and marketplaces. On the other hand, what is HELIUM 10? HELIUM 10 is an all-in-one software suite for Amazon and Walmart sellers, offering robust tools for product research, keyword optimization, and business analytics. Some of its key features include product research tools like Blackbox and X-Ray, keyword research and listing optimization with tools like Cerebro and Scribbles, market trend analysis and competitor tracking, inventory management and refund automation. Now let's explore some key differences of both platforms. For example, purpose. When it comes on to HELIUM 10, it is a complete tool set for private label sellers with advanced market research, keyword optimization, and analytics, while SELLERAMP, on the other hand, focuses on simplifying product sourcing and profitability calculations for arbitrary sellers. And if we were to look at them via ease of use, SELLERAMP is beginner-friendly with a minimal learning curve for quick analysis, while HELIUM 10, on the other hand, offers powerful tools but can feel overwhelming for beginners due to its advanced features. So I would say their target audience slightly varies. For instance, when it comes onto SELLERAMP, it's ideal for arbitrary and smaller scale sellers focusing on sourcing profitable products quickly, while HELIUM 10, on the contrary, is designed for private label and FBA sellers aiming to scale their businesses. Now let's check out their pricing. With SELLERAMP, you can get started as low as $19.95 per month, and it can go up to $27.95 per month, depending on the amount of features you want. And if we were to check out the pricing with HELIUM 10, you can get started for $29 per month. You can see right there, better yet $39 per month, and it can go up to $279. So with this in mind, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose HELIUM 10 if you are a private label seller looking for a full suite of tools to optimize your listing, track competitors, and scale your business. I would recommend you use SELLERAMP if you're focused on arbitrage and need a quick, affordable solution for evaluating product profitability. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button